Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Dissertation Diaries. My name is Marty Scholes. Today is March 21st, 2021. This was a difficult week. Tried to get as much done as I could during the week. Monday, didn't get anything done. Tuesday, I read a new literature review. It's a meta-analytic integration of acquisition performance prediction. Then I went through and marked up a bunch of notes, put those in the literature matrix on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, wasn't able to get anything done, had some conflicts with work. Saturday, I had problems with my literature matrix. It was in an Apple numbers sheet. And I had some issues with validation lists and drop-down lists, so I moved it to Excel where I could better manage it. Did that on Saturday. I started to fit in terms from an article I had read that helped build my gap. They used different terms than I had. I went in to retrofit them, noticed that the style was all wrong, had been for a couple weeks. So I went in and started fixing the style on the entire dissertation. It was a mess. Worked on it all day today as well. Today is Sunday. Finally got it done. That's good. Logged in, checked in with school. Now I can get back to retrofitting the thing. Hopefully getting the problem statement done and chapter 3 done and getting it off to my dissertation chair. That's all I got. Hope you're doing well. Take care.